Cut then update, and kita naman gaano kasaya sila Alden at Catherine na nag-taping sila ng Family Feud. Yan, isa sa mga abangan sa cut din, syempre. Yan ang Kating Bernardo on Family Feud, abangan ng cut din. Family Feud, isa sa mga abangan syempre yan. Kasama rin iba pang mga cast na Lola Bagin. Yan pang picture ng cut din, oh, with Oscar. And ang cut din, oh, may picture din with si Erich. Ito pa yung video.
Hindi ka late sa Rebo. Ribbon natin. Hindi nagbabago since sa lockdown. Oh, sige naman. With my followers.
Or the followers of Erich Mapa na talagang palong-palo.
Please watch Hello Love Again. Malapit na po.
May promo pa mo.
May promo pa lang.
Picture na.
Ito pa, oh. Magbabalik si Alden sa bench. Endorsement ni Alden, oh. A new spark is joining us. Ayan, oh. Congrats kay Alden. Paresa sila na endorsement ni Catherine. Ito to post ng Academy of Rock Philippines. Alden Richard is leading man of Hello Love Again was spotted in the booth putting some work on a excited project. May aabangan kay Alden. Grabe, mula ng blessing. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Live. Bye guys, thank you for watching.